sparkles. That's too high. The thing's too high.
Oh, yeah, it is. Tested. We good. Test daily. All right. Kale, this trick, this is the only time you're going to laugh in this trick, because this is a boring card trick, but it's a magician fooler. So, Kaylee hates these tricks because they're so linear. I'm not even going to bore you. Katie's going to pick a card in the most fairest manner possible. She's then going to lose into the deck in the fairest way possible, and I'm going to locate it. So if you don't like tricks like that are designed to fool magicians, turn the video off. It's not going to be some sort of crazy exploding deck. This is not going to be anything exciting.
Okay.
The deck is in no discernible order.
Just checking for you.
I'm just checking chicken.
No.
You guys at home can see too. Do we need to feel frauded
No.
by any of this? And make sure... promise everyone at home this is not set up in advance.
It's not set up. It'd be pointless. I would not be sitting here if this was set up. Would not be wasting my time.
Can you shuffle like that?
No.
Can you do this shuffle?
Yeah.
Where are my shuffling skills at?
You're a practiced magician.
Take the deck, give them a shuffle. I'm going to look away. I'm going to stare into the abyss over here.
And everyone's going to judge me on my shuffling.
They judge you anyway.
I know.
Okay, whenever you're happy with the shuffle, drop the cards on the table. Boom. Pick up about cut off about a third of the deck.
Okay.
Okay, and shuffle those in your hand.
Okay.
Okay, so you've shuffled the cards. I've shuffled the cards. You're shuffling even more cards.
Yep.
Whenever you're happy, stop and memorize the top card. And say it to yourself a couple of times.
Okay.
Ahead, so you don't forget it.
Should I show the camera?
Yes, I'm going to look explicitly away.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
When you're happy, drop those cards somewhere on the table. Good.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm only moving my hands so you can hear the mic.
Okay.
With the pile that's on the table, cut off about half and bury your card in.
Oh, the original pile.
Yeah, if you want.
Right.
Yeah, and now pick up the rest of the cards.
Yeah.
And then shuffle those two, and then bury those on top.
Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle.
Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle.
Right.
Shuffle. And now is the moment of truth. You're going to do a riffle shuffle.
Oh, I'm not. I'm definitely not.
You're going to try and do
I'll
it.
try, but I'm not going to do it. The fact that you can make you think I can do one of these is hilarious.
I've seen you do one. Everyone's seen you do one. You can do one.
Oh my god, that sounded so sick. Hang on.
How old are you saying sick?
I don't know. But hang on.
I'm embarrassed for you.
Okay, I got it.
Done?
Wait.
Good?
No, shh. I'm doing the important bit.
Oh, you have
Lloyd, you have to watch that back.
Is it good?
It's so good.
All right, before I push forward, I want you to show spread the cards to the camera so they know the deck is genuinely mixed up. So I'm going to press the focus button.
Okay.
Beep, boop, boop, doop, doop. Good.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can see it too. Yeah. Wait, you gotta watch that back. That riffle was really good.
I mean, it took a long time, but it sounded amazing.
It was really good.
So, I have no idea what your card is. You have memorized it. Please say you have.
Oh yeah. I was so excited about my riffle shuffle.
People do this all the time. Okay, so, I just want you to say to me, red or black.
Okay.
Say red or black.
Okay. Red or black?
Say it again.
Red or black?
Okay, now say hearts, clubs, diamonds, spades.
Oh god, I'm gonna get this wrong. Oh, this is terrifying. Right. Hearts, clubs, diamonds, spades.
Okay. I feel like she's given something away. Now just count.
Try not to.
Look at me. I'm going to count ace through to king.
Mm.
Just stay and think about the value of your card. Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king. Okay.
I didn't give anything away then. Poker face.
Okay. I actually think you give away a lot more than you realised.
I don't.
I do. I'm going to try and go through here and take out one card. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm right.
You're never right. I'm always right.
I'm gonna say.
Moment of truth. Drum roll, please.
let's just, before we look at this card, hold on to it in your hands so nobody can see it. Let's just recount what happened. Deck was shuffled to within an inch of its life.
Yeah.
You know,
Very
furrowed.
well by me.
Furrowed, overhand shuffled. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you cut off some cards, memorized the card,
Yeah.
buried it into the deck,
I shuffled
these even, should have shuffled some more, and then shuffled these as well.
I did that
Yes?
very well. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. I think I can kind of card face up and just do my head in. For all intents and purposes, that is about when I was thinking of what would be the most impossible way of having a card selected and lost so that it couldn't be found again. This was the genuine procedure that I followed. Was like, right, if I could ever recreate this, that would be insane.
Okay.
So, if that card is the correct card,
it's a big if, though, isn't it?
I'm going to be pretty happy. By the way, first time I've ever performed this trick.
Brilliant. Definitely going to go wrong then.
For the first time, say the card that you were thinking of out loud.
7 of diamonds.
Turn the card over in your hand. Okay, so it's a basic, boring card location, but under very, very impossible circumstances, I'd say.
I like that.
Thank you.
That was good. Is it in my hands a lot?
Yeah, it was essentially hands off. And the focus of the method should be that when they think back, is how did I read you?
Yeah.
You know, but you're a semi-magician, so you kind of know it's
He's not reading me. You can't read me.
Anyway, I teach a lot of stuff on this channel. I teach actually I've taught like over 150 tutorials. Every now and then I'll just share something that I keep back for myself and my Patreon members. So this is one of those things. This is the good stuff. I share mostly just magician fooling stuff on Patreon. So if you want to learn the method to this, it's available right now. Head over to patreon.com/LloydB, and all full paying members have the method to this. But I wanted to share it with you. It's a fun exercise. Maybe you want to do this yourself at home. Grab a deck of cards, find a way to shuffle them up, think of a card, lose it back in, and then try to recreate that somehow with a method in the middle. It's a great creative exercise, and you might end up with something like this. So I don't know what your thoughts on it were. By the way, I wanted to ask you, like, I swear I like a 9 of spades face up.
You've just turned it the other way around.
Okay. From your point of view as a semi-lay person, did it feel fair or did it not feel fair?
No, extremely fair. With a lot of card tricks and like A-cans and things like that, sometimes you can, if you've got an interest in magic and you have a little bit of understanding, you can sometimes work out the method with the limited knowledge that you have. I was completely fooled. I didn't know how you did that. Because it wasn't, to me, it wasn't in mnemonic, or it wasn't in any order that I could see, because I could see all the cards face up. I shuffled them myself. I riffle shuffled them really well. You please watch that back. I'm so proud of myself.
So proud of you.
But yeah, a lot of it was done in my hands, and I love them. I prefer those tricks because it's like you haven't got that influence, even though I'm trying to, like, you're trying to read me and trying to give all those, stop giving those tells away in your face and things like that. No, I liked it. It was in my hands, and yeah, it was impressive.
Thanks. All right, cool. Well, like I said, guys, if you want to learn this trick and then go off and fool all your friends, then head over to patreon.com. You'll learn this as well as 30 other of my hardcore, like, magician fooling only material. It really is the best stuff that I kind of don't want to share on YouTube because it's too good. So head over there, sign up today, and you get a bunch of cool stuff too. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye.